Okay then. So last class we discussed about comparison of numbers using symbols. Now we are going to do some exercise which is related to these symbols. Okay. So by doing this exercise, it will be more clear to you. Okay. So are you all ready? Are you all ready?
Yes.
So please take your notebook and pencil. Please take your notebook and pencil. So take a fresh page. Okay? You can take a fresh page. So let me start to write. Yes. F-I-L-L. What is the word F-I-L-L?
Fill.
Fill. Very good. I-N.
In.
In. Okay, write in the notebook. F-I-L-L. Fill. I-N.
Fill.
In.
In.
T-H-E.
The.
Fill in the B-L-A-N-K-S.
Blanks.
Blanks, very good. Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks.
W-I-T-H. W-I-T-H. With. Fill in the blanks with. Fill in the blanks with. W-I-T-H. With. T-H-E. The. Fill in the blanks with the. Fill in the blanks with the.
Fill in the blanks with the.
C-O-R-R-E-C-T. What is the word? C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Correct.
Correct. Correct.
The blanks with the correct.
E-C-T.
Correct. S-Y-M-B-O-L. Symbol. S-Y-M-B-O-L. Symbol.
Simple.
S-Y-M-B-O-L. Symbol. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbol.
The correct symbol.
How many symbols are there? How many symbols are there? 3. There are 3 symbols. Very good. And what about this?
3.
Which symbol is this?
Less than.
Look at carefully. It look like a L. It's look like a L.
Greater.
It is greater than. Less than look like a capital letter L. Means a slanted capital letter L. Okay. Like this. What is this?
Less than.
Less than. Very good. And which is the third one?
Less than. Equal to.
Equal to. Good.
Equal to.
So these are the 3 symbols. With these symbols we will fill the blanks. And we have the first question, A. It's very, very simple. Okay, it's very, very simple. But we have to write. That's a problem. Are you interested to writing? Your hands is paining. Morning ma'am gives many, and now also ma'am is giving. Okay, so we have A.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
A. We have the numbers 5, Okay, then we have a dash. If you want to put a box, it's only box in your notebook. If you want to put a box, it's also okay. 5, one box is there, then the number 8. So here we have to put the symbol. Okay, we have to put the symbol. 5-8. Okay, Anurag, unmute. Anurag, unmute. See, 5-8. Which is a bigger number? Is it 5 or 8? It is 8. Okay. So the fish of the mouth of the fish will be open towards which number? Is it 5 or 8?
8.
8. The mouth of the fish will be open towards the bigger number. So we can write this. Okay. Now, wait. Anurag, read this. Read this. How we will read this? 5 is less than 8. 5 is less than 8. Okay. So shall we move to the next one? 5 is less than 8. How to think only?
I'm drinking water.
Okay, you can drink water, no problem. Okay, always you have to think only one thing. See, where there is the bigger number, that you have to think. And towards that number, the mouth fish will be open. Okay, and this side is open and this side is closed. See, if you put this symbol, this side is open. This is open. Okay, and this one is closed. So always the mouth of the fish will be open towards which number? The bigger number. Okay, the bigger number. Now we will move to the next one. By doing the exercise, it will be more clear to you. Okay, and we have B. And B for Mitra. Okay, Mitra. And we have the number 9. Then the box. And we have 3. So which is a bigger number? 9. So towards which number the mouth of the fish will be open?
Greater than.
Which number is greater here?
9.
Very good. So this, we have to open the mouth of the fish towards the 9. So read this. How we will read this?
9
Yeah.
is
Is it a less than or
greater than
very good. 9 is
3.
greater than 3. Very good. Good. So 9 is greater than 3. Okay. 9 is greater than 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome, my dear. And next we have C. And next we have C. And sorry. Next we have 54. And we have the box. And next number is 74. It's for Aradhya. Okay, Aradhya. And we have two numbers, 54 and 74. So which is a bigger number, Aradhya?
74.
Some others are saying the answer, I think. Aradhya, which is a bigger number?
74.
74. So the mouth of the fish will be open towards which number?
74.
74. Okay. 74. Let me put the symbol first. Okay. So it will be like this. Now read this. Aradhya, read. Aradhya, read.
54.
Yeah.
He's 74.
Which symbol? I didn't hear.
Smaller than.
Smaller than or less than. Very good, very good. 54 is less than or smaller than 74.
Ma'am, next Arnav.
Okay, Arnav. 54 is less than 74. So next is for Arnav, and we have D. And Arnav, be ready. Okay, it's very simple for you. Next one. Okay, we have 13, then the box,
13.
and 13. It's very easy now, Arnav. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am.
Which symbol we have to use here?
12.
It is equal to. Why we are putting equal to here? Why we are putting equal to here? There is no less than, no greater than. Why? Why are
It is too same to same.
both sides same number. Both sides same number. So we can put equal to sign. We can put equal to sign. Next we have E. Next we have E. And E we have 8 is here and 4 is here. Okay. And it's for Muhammad Ali. Unmute and tell me answer. Muhammad Ali, which is a bigger number here?
8.
8. So the mouth of the fish is open towards which number? 8. So I am opening 8. Okay. Now read this. How we will read this? How we will read this?
8 is
Very good.
greater.
Very good. 8 is greater than 4. 8 is greater than 4. Okay. Good boy. And next we have F.
Ma'am, next Arnav.
Arnav already tell me the answer, no? So let me give chance to another one. Okay, Arnav. Dhyan, are you ready? Dhyan, are you ready for F? Dhyan, can you hear ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, and we have 23 and 21. Which is a bigger number, Dhyan?
23.
23 is bigger. So the mouth of the fish will be open towards which number?
23.
Very good. It will be open towards 23. Now read this, Dhyan. Read.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read. 23.
G.
23. Read this. 23.
23.
Is
23 is
it less than or greater than? Which symbol?
left.
Which one?
Left.
See, this symbol is not look like L, no? It's opposite of that, no? So we can say 23 is greater than 21. Okay, then. 23 is
Yes.
greater than 21. Okay, then. Good. And next, it is Nived. Nived, are you ready for the next one? Nived, are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay, and we have 99 and we have 98. Nived, which is a bigger number? Is it a 99 or 98?
99.
Very good. So the mouth of the fish will be open towards which number?
99.
99. So it is open towards 99. Okay. Now read this. Read this, Nived. Nived, read. 99 is
99 is
less than or greater than?
greater.
Very good. 99 is greater than 98.
99.
99 is greater than 98. Okay, good boy. And we have the last one. Okay, and that is H. And it's for Siddhi Vinayak. Please unmute. And we have the numbers 50 and 60. 50 and 60.
And
Bigger number, Siddhi?
60.
60 is the bigger number. So towards which number the mouth of the fish will be open?
60.
60. Very good. So we can put 60. Okay. Now read this. 50 is complete it.
50. 50.
Now 50 is which symbol?
60.
What is
Less than.
less than. That's very important. 50 is less than 60. Good boy. 50 is less than 60.
60.
50 is less than 60. So is it clear for all? Is it clear for
Yes,
you?
ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Fresh page. Take a fresh page. You can take a fresh page. Sorry. You can take a fresh page.
Yes, ma'am.
Take a fresh page. Take a fresh WRITE. What is the word?
Right.
W-R-I-T-E.
Right.
I-N.
In.
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 W-O-R-D-S.
Words.
Words. Very good. Write in words. Write in words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. Write in words.
Write in words.
Write in words.
Write in words.
W-R-I-T, write. I-N, in. W-O-R-D-S, words. And we have the first one. This we have to write in words. Okay. I don't know. You have to help me. Okay. So, who will help me? Asariya, are you ready? Asariya? Please unmute Asariya. Okay. And tell me, what is this? I don't know what is this. This is what.
Greater than.
Complete it. Very good. 6 is greater than. Which number next?
3.
Very good. Very good. So you understood what I am taking. So we can write answer. Okay. And the answer is 6 is greater than Greater greater THAN than. Good girl. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. Sorry. And next we have B.
I'm done.
Tell me louder.
Ma'am,
Yes.
right.
Completed. Let me write the next one. And
No.
next. Okay, right.
No.
Okay, right. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am, finished.
Very good. Then who will
Ma'am,
help
I
you next one?
completed.
Is it Joseph? Are you ready, Joseph? Joseph, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. And help me. How
Yes.
to read this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this. Just read for me this one. Joseph, read me. Read.
8 less than 9.
Very good, Joseph. It's absolutely correct. So we can write 8 is, it's less than, no? Look like it's landing capital letter L. So 8 is less than 9. 8 is less than 9. 8 is less than 9.
Ma'am, I completed.
Who completed?
Jennifer.
So next for Jennifer, okay? Jennifer will help you for the next one. Are you ready, Jennifer? Let me write the question.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So we have, it's very easy for you. Read.
10
Ah,
equals to 10.
very good, good girl. 10 is equal to
10.
10. Very good, Jennifer. 10 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10. Sorry. 10 is equal to 10. Now, those who completed can close your notebook and put your pencil down. Okay. Those who completed can close your notebook and put your pencil down. And listen to ma'am. And listen to ma'am. Sorry. So all of you completed. What about Evelyn? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So I'm going to stop sharing.
My finish.
Very good, Android. So all of you please listen to ma'am. So,
Completed.
very good, Krishna. Very good. Okay. So all of you please be quiet. Please be quiet and listen to me. Okay. So now we discussed about the symbols. So I think it is understood. No, by doing that exercise, it is clear to you all. I think so. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about a new topic. Okay. It's very simple. Who is talking? Arnav. Arnav, please be quiet, okay? And listen to me. So next we are going to talk about the arrangement of numbers. That means we will say order of numbers. O-R-D-R, order. Order means arrangement, okay? Arrangement. You will arrange your notebook and textbook on your table, no? If I come to your home, it will be arranged properly or here and there, everything. What will be the condition? It will be arranged properly.
Well arranged.
Very good, Asriya. Very good. Okay. So there you arrange your notebook and textbooks. And I will say another example. See, if your class means in the school, you will arrange your notebook and textbook according to the timetable in the previous day. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. There also you are arranging your notebook and textbook according to the timetable. The same way here we are arranging the numbers. Okay. Here we are arranging the numbers. And there are two type of arrangements. Okay. And first we will discuss today and next we will do next day. Okay. And the first arrangement is ascending order. ASCENDING, ascending order. It's very easy. Ascending means writing the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, writing the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. We already studied what is smallest and biggest. So it is easy for you. We are going to writing the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, I will give you a clue for this. Ascending, ASCENDING. Which is the first letter in ascending? Which is the first letter? A. Okay. Think about ant. Okay. Think about ant. ANT. What is ant? What is ant? Ant is a very small animal, no? So we can say ant. A for ant. A for ant. So in ascending order, we have to start with the smallest number and we will reach at the biggest number. Okay. So ascending order means writing the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Now I will explain with the example. Okay. I will explain with the example. So all of you please listen to me. Okay. So ascending. No need to write now. ASCENDING. This is ascending. Okay, ascending. Which is a first letter? Which is a first letter in ascending? A. Okay. So here is for ant. A-N-T. Ant. Ant is very small, no? So ascending order means small to big. Small to big. So we will write first the smallest one. Then we will write at the last the biggest. Okay. And I have some numbers. So I have 9, 3, 5, 4. These all are one digit numbers now. All are one digit numbers. Okay. And Evina unmute. Evina unmute. So these one digit numbers we have to write in which order? Ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order, Evina? Writing the numbers from writing the numbers from small to
Small
okay,
to
big.
bigger.
Smallest to biggest. See, Evina, here ascending. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending. It is the first letter.
A.
A. So A for ant. Ant very small, no? So whenever they are saying, if there is question that write the given numbers in ascending order, we have to think out which animal? The smallest one, that is ant. Ant is very small, no? So think about the animal ant. And we have the numbers 9, 3, 5, 4. Okay, these numbers we have to write in which order? Ascending order. Now, Evina, tell me which is the smallest one in this?
3.
Very good, very good. So, 3. So, we can write 3. Okay, after writing 3, put a tick for 3. So, no need to think about 3 again. Okay, 3 is completed. Okay, then think about other numbers. We have 9, 5, and 4. Which is the smallest one in that?
4.
Very good, very good. So we can put a tick mark for 4 and we can write 4 here. Okay, now 4 also completed. Next we have 9 and 5, which is a smaller one. Ah, yes, very good.
5.
Okay, so now 5 also completed. Then the last one, the biggest one is
9.
9. Very good. Now we arrange these numbers in which order? Ascending order. So we got 3, 4, 5 and 9. So this is known as ascending order. Okay, this is known as ascending order. Now you understood what's the meaning of ascending order?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now I will give another numbers. Okay, another number. Okay. Now it's for Adit Krishna. Okay, Adit Krishna. No need to write now. Now we are not writing anymore. Okay, just listen to me. Adit Krishna, where are you? Adit, where?
Yes, ma'am.
Adit Krishna, it's your turn. Okay, I will give you some numbers. You have to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, and we have 15, 11, 12, and 10. So these numbers we have to write in ascending order. Okay. Adit Krishna, tell me answer. Which is the smallest one in this? Which is the smallest one in this? Adit Krishna, which is the smallest one in this? We have 15, 11, 12 and 10. Tell me louder. Which is the smallest one? Ah, it is 10. Very good. It is 10. Okay. 10. Okay. Then the next one means we have three numbers 15, 11, 12. Which is the smallest one?
11.
Very good. Very good. It is 11. Okay. And next, which number? We have 15 and 12. Which is smaller?
12. 12.
Ah, it is 12. Very good. And which is the biggest one in this?
50.
Ah, it is 15. It is 15. Okay. So 10, 11, 12, 15. So this arrangement is known as which arrangement? Ascending order. Okay. Now I will give you another one. Okay, another one.
Family
Ah,
help.
it's for Krishna. Okay. Krishna, tell me some two-digit numbers and you will arrange these numbers in this ascending order. Okay. Ascending order.
30, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Okay. Krishna, tell me the four numbers. Tell me for any number. Is it 1 digit or 2 digit? It's your choice. 5. Okay, good.
16.
16. Okay.
90.
90 or 90?
91.
9. 1 9.
Yes.
Okay. 1 9. Okay. Then one more.
15. 15.
15. Okay. And now, Krishna, please, you no need to say the answer. Okay. Whom should give the answer to you? You can tell me the child's name. Means your friend's name.
Nihal want to say.
Ah, okay, Nihal. Nihal, tell me answer. Very good. Nihal, tell me answer.
50.
Eh? Which one?
50.
Ah,
5.
first we will write 5. Very good. 5 is the smallest one. Then the next
50.
one. Nihal.
50.
Very good. Okay. Then the next
60.
one. 16. Okay. Then the last one.
90. 90. 90. Ma'am, 19. Ma'am, 90. Ma'am, I cannot see you. Hear you. Ma'am, I cannot hear you. I cannot see you. See you. Ma'am, I cannot see you. Yes, yes. What? I cannot hear. Juice. Ma'am, I cannot hear. Enough. നമുക്ക് വേറെ കുട്ടീനെ പോയി നോക്കാം. അത് Ma'am, I cannot see you and hear you. I cannot see. Ma'am, I cannot see you. Ma'am, I cannot see you. Ma'am, I cannot see. Ma'am, I cannot see. Ma'am, I cannot see you. 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 Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali. Yanda. Bye bye. Ma'am, I cannot see you.
You can't see.
Ma'am, I cannot. Ma'am, I cannot see.
You can't see.
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Ah, very good, Meenakshi. Okay, so here power failure, that's it. So we talk about these numbers, no?
Ma'am, 19.
Ah, okay. Which are the numbers? 5,
5,
15,
50,
then
16,
16 and 19. Okay.
19.
So you said the correct answer. Okay. Now I'm going to winding up the session today. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
bye, ma'am.
Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Meet you next time.
Bye, bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye. See you.
Okay. See you next class. Bye.